Water should be nice and sweet this morning.
Everything smells so wet.
See?
It smells like. It smells wet.
Y'all can't tell on camera, it's been pouring all morning long. We were trying to go catch bait for tarpon, but our net broke about 10 minutes into doing it. So.
I mean,
it looks like an octopus. Yeah, they going. Now they're trying to eat that vanilla ice cream with the cherry dip.
they're not doing a great
So we scratched that idea, and let's go catch a big snook this morning.
Not a bad backup plan.
No, should be all right. I think I'm gonna work my bait a little further back in this creek
Yeah,
because I want to catch a tarpon out of it
I would agree.
on the wall. And here comes the rain again. You can see, guys, I'm just kind of like trying to throw on land, plop it right next to the wall. It's just easier to do that if I'm casting really, really far. We'll look back at that one on camera. I don't really know what it was. You probably will be able to see the fish. Could have been. I was way off. It wasn't overly big. It wasn't like a rat, but it wasn't like, it wasn't a 40-pound fish or anything. I don't think we need to water the lawn today. Windshield wipers, man, I'm telling you. Ladies and gentlemen, comment down below. What do you guys think about the idea of putting a little hand-operated windshield wiper on sunglasses? Just go wee woo wee woo wee woo.
The hand operated is where you lose me.
Well, I mean, we can make it battery operated, but then like you're gonna have a battery next to your brain.
Manual backup, maybe.
You don't want a battery next to the old brain. Also, comment down below, who's bigger liars, weathermen or lawyers or fishermen?
Or fishermen, I was gonna say.
Yeah.
Fishermen are about the white
Who's the worst? Because our phone said probably no rain.
I was like, I couldn't set the hook without literally having my line not that metal.
The fat little snook.
Dark. Well, it's pouring.
Yep.
Update.
All right, we're back, guys, after retying after that fish. Fish seem to be pretty aggressive this morning. And it is pouring.
My bait was in that white bait. I wasn't really trying for it, but it just
Cat Mandy making some casts this morning, ladies and gents. It is pouring. It is pouring. But if the snook are gonna eat, I'm all with it. Ooh, way bigger. Good one on here, folks. Sorry we missed the first part of that. The GoPro had turned off for a second. We should be able to clip the two.
He's out. She's really good.
He turned his head now. I am going to. I'll keep filming because I'm filming.
I didn't realize how big he was when
I did.
he first ate.
Is she gonna give us a good jump? It's a big fish, boys.
God. Get me in those trees.
Wow.
Oh. Oh my God, dude. I gotta stop him. Oh, come out of there, please.
She's up.
He's out.
God, this is a giant.
I'm not tiring out yet. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Get hotter. Woo, girl.
God, dude. Let's go. Man, I didn't realize she was that big. Never been bit harder by a fish than that. Oh my God. I think I could pick her up with that bite.
Fish is tall too.
Yeah. Big old head on her.
Fish kicks your butt on a 3-minute fight.
I thought once I really had her on for a while, I was like, oh, we're good. It's not going to get me back in those trees. And it almost got me back in those trees twice.
Nice kick.
That bite was very large. That was cool. That is a fish. Jesus. Come on, Anders. Oh my God. Are you so far back here?
Not a bad one.
I didn't think I was ever going to get him out of there.
That'll happen. Mood today. You don't like it.
Oh,
I have no idea what this is, dude.
I can't believe how far your line went there.
You?
What do you got, dude?
I have no idea.
It's nice.
Andy, I've never seen a fish eat that fast before.
He was 20 yards in front of the boat by the time you shot.
Okay, that works. I'm gonna have to come back here.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
That counts, though.
Does count. She hit the boat, dude.
That counts. That was a big one.
All right, ZCON fam, that's the end of today. Ended up being a really good day. 2 fish, probably around 35, 36 inches, both of them. Any more snook other than that? Got a huge surprise coming for you guys tomorrow if we're allowed to film, so stay tuned for that episode. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.